jerky out of a 1.28 pound London Broil. Hey, this is gonna be good. We mix in all the ingredients, work it around by hand, and then we place it in the refrigerator overnight. After letting it marinate overnight, we get it out, we pat it down, and then we place it on the racks for the dehydrator. And we continue this until we get all of it patted down and on the racks. The teriyaki sauce with the other ingredients, the Worcestershire sauce, and that's not how you pronounce it actually probably, but and the soy sauce. Oh, it gives it a flavor. Just really good. And also, I didn't mention it, I put a little bit of cracked pepper on them, just a light sprinkle. Now we'll get these placed on the rack, and we get 2 racks. This is a 5-rack dehydrator, but we get 2 racks out of this. And I like to make small bite size too. Them smaller pieces there, they'll make a good bite size. You want to make sure you get them patted down good. Believe me, this flavor is still going to be throughout this jerky. But you pat them down as much as you can so you can save time on dehydrating. And so the dehydrator don't have to get rid of all that moisture before it starts really dehydrating that meat. Oh, we like to try to get every little bit of meat on there. It all makes for good eating. Well, I think it's time to put these in the dehydrator. Oh, look at that. The only problem with this, I wished I had the other 3 racks full. Now push them in and get this door on this dehydrator and see if we can't get this thing fired up. Now we turn on the dehydrator, and now we're going to set it 5 hours. I'm going to set the temperature about 150, 155. Like about 2 hours and 45 minutes. And that'll be 5 hours. We'll check it then. This is after about 2.5 hours here. Another hour down. 1 more hour to go. Okay, it's been 5 hours. I believe this is ready. Oh, look at that. That looks fantastic. Now, I'll get all the little pieces out of there, and I had to take a bite for myself there. Get all of it in this little bag. This is a quart-sized bag, and it fills it up pretty good. I'll tell you what, your homemade jerky is better than any store-bought. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing. I want to thank each and every one for watching, and I hope you have a great and wonderful day.